After watching this video, you will be able to stop battery draining and overheating your iPhone. I am getting lot of your comments regarding battery draining and overheating. Now any further delay, let's get jump into this video. Well, I will be sharing some tips and tricks and settings to turn off through which you are able to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. Now without any further delay, let's get jump into this video. Make sure to watch the video until the end because there is a lot of stuff that is going on over here. Now let's begin. Now very first thing is what you can do is you can choose dark wallpaper. Dark wallpaper can help a lot to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. Like if your battery is really bad, you should don't care about the what wallpaper you are using. So dark wallpaper can be a much better option. So for that, what you need to do is you simply go to your lock screen, tap and hold. From here you tap on this plus button, and from here you go all the way into the colors, choose any of them. From here go with the dark one, choose something like this. Once you do this, go over here and from here choose solid. Once you do this, to done, set as wallpaper pair, and you are good to go. This can help a lot in your battery life. And moving to the next thing is about your apps. Now, many people close their apps. As you can see, I never close my apps, but many people actually close their apps, something like this. But whenever you close your app, it is not going to save any battery life. Instead, it is going to consume more battery life. So my app is closed as you just saw, and I will open the app again, and it will take all the power in the world to open the app again. And of course, that will consume more battery life. So it is better to just keep your apps open in the background. It is not consuming your battery life. Don't worry at all. Now moving to the next one is slide from here, tap and hold your brightness bar and the true tone. Now true tone can also take your battery, so you can just turn it off, something like this. You are good to go. Now moving to the another one is could be different. Well, sometimes mail app can also consume a lot of battery life because in the background it is pushing to get new mail. So what you can do is simply go to settings. From settings, go all the way down into the apps. On the search, find mail. Into the mail accounts. Once you are into the mail accounts, fetch new data. Into fetch new data, go over here. You will see different options as you can see, and choose manually. Now when you do manually, you need to go to the mail app and push it to get the new mails. I think it is a better way to save the battery life. It can help to enhance the battery life. If you choose automatically, it will be running in the background, that will be consuming lot of battery life. So choose manually. Now once you're done, it's time to move to the next part. Now from here, what you can do is haptics. Haptics can consume lot of battery life. Haptics basically generate vibration in your iPhone to give you a feel of using it, but it is not important. So you can just turn off the haptics completely. For that, what you need to do is go to sound and haptics from here, go to haptics from here, never play, go back all the way down into keyboard haptic, just uncheck this. That's it, just turn it off the way I did. Go from here, system haptics, turn it off too, and you are good to go. So this can also help to improve the battery life and stop the battery draining. Talking about the battery draining, you can also stop overnight battery draining with the help of low power mode. So before going to bed, what you can do is you can just turn on the low power mode. So when it is turned on, it will be like using less battery life because it will be restricting lot of background processes. So it can be a better way while you are sleeping. Now moving to the next one is going into the settings. Once you are into the settings, go to the privacy and security, and from here go to tracking and turn off the tracking for every other app, just like I did, and it can help a lot to improve the battery life, because when it is on, it will be tracking in the background and that will be consuming lot of battery life. And now it's time to move to the next one. And when I talk about the next one is the notifications. Well, whenever notification bumps on your phone, it actually runs through a background process and that also consumes battery life. Now, if I go over here into the notification, you will notice one thing. Most of the notifications of different apps are off on my iPhone because I don't want these notifications. As you can see, most of them are off. Any notification was very crucial, like FaceTime or maybe Fiverr or maybe else like WhatsApp, that is turned on. Other than that, every other notification is turned off. So you can also customize notification to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. Now go back from here, go back to the privacy and security, and go all the way down over here into journaling suggestions. So if you don't use journal app at all, turn off. Yeah, just turn these off because they are consuming battery in the background. So just turn them off. It can also help to improve the battery life a lot. Now from here, go back and now it's time to do some accessibility settings. So go into the accessibility. From here, go to display and text size. Go all the way down and turn on the auto brightness. When auto brightness is turned on, it adapts the brightness of your display according to your surrounding. So you are not always on 100%. So it also helps to improve the battery life. Also, when you are low on brightness, like in a night in your bed you are sitting, maybe brightness could be a little high. You can always go to the reduce white point. When the reduce white point is on, it lowers the display even more. That can also help to improve the battery life. So you can also do this. Well, you can do a lot. Now there is another thing you can do is reduce transparency. Basically, you can just turn this on, and when it is on, you can see there is no transparency. It's a solid color, but on a brighter side, it can help to improve the battery life of your iPhone. Now go back from here and go back from here and go back to the privacy and security again. Now, when you are in privacy and security again, over here, you need to go all the way down, analytics and improvements, and turn off the share iPhone analytics. Turn off the every other app. You don't need to be the one who can help to improve these things. You could just turn them off because they are running in the background and consuming lot of battery life. So just turn them off. Once you do this, what you need to do is go back from here, go to all the way up into the location services and customize location services according to your choice. Well, as you can see, if I go to any app, for example, I'm trying to find Facebook. Where is that? I don't know. Where is that? Facebook is not over here. Anyways, if I go to any app like, for example, Strava, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. There's an option of always. If I choose always, it will be using my location every single time, every moment. And that will be for sure consuming the lot of battery life. So always use while using the app, or if you don't care about that, choose never. That's all. And from here, go to system services, and into system services, go all the way down into the product improvement, iPhone analytics, routing and traffic, improve maps, turn them off. You don't need to turn this off. Like this, go back from here. Now, an important tip, try to use MFI cables and chargers. Many people go for the cheap chargers that can also destroy the battery health of your iPhone, can bring a lot of battery draining, affect the overall performance too. So it is always better to use good chargers from good companies. Never go for the cheap copy chargers. If you can't afford Apple charger, you can just there are a lot of companies that are making really good chargers. So another thing you can do is you can go for the dark mode. Dark mode looks nice, being very honest, and at the same point, it also helps to improve the battery life. So dark mode is also one of the things that you can apply on your iPhone, and you can enhance the battery life and stop the battery draining. So over here, I use different tips and tricks that can help you to improve the battery life of your iPhone. If you find this video helpful in any way possible, hit the like button, hit the share button, and I hope to catch you guys in the very next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.